Hi guys, my name is Amy Marietta. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be showing you how to do this 90s makeup look. And you just have to trust the process because it's going to start out not looking like this and then we eventually get here. So stick with me, give this a thumbs up, and leave a comment below. Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a 90s inspired makeup tutorial. And I just woke up. I'm going to start with SPF, Paula's Choice, just to get the good base going. How are you guys doing? If you guys are getting dry skin because the weather changes lately, I highly recommend a humidifier in your room. It's really great. It'll keep it nice and plump. Also use a lactic acid treatment. There's a really good one by Sunday Riley that I love. But anyways, next we're going to do Oxygenetics Acne Control in Beige for my foundation. I really think that using a brush for this makes it look so much more natural. This is a Luxie brush. And I put the link to shop all of these below too, just to make it easier. And I always put a little extra under my under eyes, circles, you know the drill. I'm trying to do this super fast. I have to go ship out a ton of AM Club orders, which if you guys didn't know, I have a silk scarf line, AM Club. We are ethical and sustainable, and we give back to important causes I care about, like saving the elephants. So if you need any Christmas present ideas or just birthday ideas, whatever, go shop them, support small businesses. Ever since I started a small business, now I really try and support small businesses because Jeff Bezos has taken enough of my money and it's so annoying. He takes everyone's money. And I do love the convenience of Amazon, but I wish we'd just give back a little more, you know what I mean? Like Bill Gates, for example. Great guy, gives back. We're gonna do more contouring on the face later, but now we're gonna do the eyes. All right, so next I'm gonna put on a primer, this Cover FX. It's a blurring primer. You can put this on your skin, but I just do primer on my eyes. For the eyeshadow, I don't think it's as important because the foundation I use is so good for your skin by itself, and you don't need a primer for it because it really just sticks to it. So, plus, you know, you don't wanna clog your pores. And that's the great thing about Oxygenetics is it doesn't clog your pores. I wish Oxygenetics was around when I was a kid because I was using Bare Minerals and that stuff was really clogging my pores, to be honest. Next we're gonna do eyes. I'm gonna use the Lorac Unzipped palette. And it's just a lot of neutrals and I'm just gonna go in with this first. So just a light, basic, just setting up our canvas. Alright, so we got that. Next, I'm gonna go in with a darker color, so this one. And then I'm using this brush. It's a brow brush, but I'm gonna use it as sharp. But I probably should use tape. Damn, that was pretty good though. And then the other side. So first I just like to outline it and then go on the in. Alright, so it's messy, but we're getting somewhere. And then next, I want to do it, so I'm gonna bring it over. It's hard because I have like hooded eyes, but we're gonna try it anyways. Get it a little more. Ooh. This is my first time trying this, so one side's better than the other. Whew, getting nervous, I need water. And we're gonna fix this up later with concealer, so don't worry if it's a little messy. Alright, so whatever, that's a rough draft for now. And next, I'm gonna take some of the Unreal, so a light sparkly little bit, and put that in the middle. Ooh, sparkles. Alright, and then I'm going to do a darker, do Uncensored for the outside, so it's a little bit of a darker, but still has some sparkle. Ooh, smoky. Never used this color before. Alright, so now we covered up a lot of our mistakes. And now I am going to use this Appeal eyeliner, brown gel liner by Appeal. Okay, and I'm gonna go over this. This one's pretty perfect, so I'm just gonna trust the process. Fix this up a little, and I'm gonna use concealer after this. But now we are going to do under, so the same brown. So this is what that is like. Next, we are gonna do the cleanup. So Neutrogena Radiant Cream Concealer. Little skinny brush. Just gonna wipe away my problems. Yeah, pretty clean. All right, wow, pretty good job for my first time. So there's that. And then what else am I gonna add? I'm just gonna kind of blend it a little bit more. Next is time for brows. Very important. Today I'm gonna use the Browsings. I haven't used this before. It's Benefit, and I love Benefit. Oh, how cute. So this comes with wax and powder. And for this 90s look, I'm gonna go with wax. What a cool little, wow, fancy. So the sharp side also comes with this, but it's a little lighter than my brows, but it'll work. Try some of the powder. All right, and fold it back up. And then I'm gonna go over that with this. Another Benefit thing, the one I always use, it's the gel. Just to give them some more bushy structure. And then I'm gonna brush those out a little bit with one of these things. I'm alive. All right. Woo, nice. Now lips time. So I'm gonna do a lip liner, which was really big in the 90s, such a big part. And I'm gonna overline a little because that was also the thing back then. And I wish this was a little darker. I feel like that was also more the 90s. All right, so they're lined. I'm also gonna add a beauty mark because I have naturally a beauty mark, but it's been faded over time with laser hair removal, but it's here and it's very Cindy Crawford-y vibes. Woohoo! Then for the lips, I'm gonna do this Lip Addict gloss. It is the shade Sweet Nothings. All right, so there's Lippy Lips. So it's kind of like a pinky brownie. And I know it was really popular to put a lot of powder back then. Now I'm going to contour. So contour brush secured. Now I'm going to use the Cover FX. It has a contour. Okay, so I don't think that the lip liner was dramatic enough, so I'm gonna do a little bit of the brown lip liner. I'm just gonna try it and see. This is dramatic. Wow. Honestly, this is working. I love the days where you just like surprise yourself, you know? Okay. I'm gonna go over it with the pink one again just because it is a little bit much, but it's like I'm gonna go to the grocery store, but since I'm wearing a mask, no one's even gonna know that this whole little glam stitch is going on. Also because I'm gonna wear sunnies. You know, just because also I don't like running into people when I'm out because then they try and talk to you, and right now just isn't the time because I don't want corona. I am a little bit paranoid in some ways. Like if I don't know where you've been, you know what I mean? Okay, so there's a little touch up. I should have done my hair big and voluminous for today, but I didn't, so it's okay. Once again, I'm gonna contour a little bit more with the Cover FX palette. Go around your hairline, cheekbones, right underneath the cheeks to lift them up. And then I'm gonna do a little on my nose. I'm gonna do a little bit of brightener there, under here. Wow. First of all, let's appreciate these lips right now. I've never done them like this. This is so interesting. Okay. Okay, so I feel like falsies might be too much and will cover up all the hard work I just did. So I am going to just do mascara. I'm glad we came to this conclusion. So on the top and then the bottom, and get some more goodness on this brush. These little baby hairs really just said no. Sometimes I feel like these are boring for you, but this is how I learned by watching YouTube. So I figured it'd be helpful because a lot of people on TikTok ask me how I do eyeliner and eyeliner tutorials. So I thought, let's try a 90s. So I did some quick Google YouTube search and here we are. I told you guys to trust the process. I was really just manifesting that it would work out, to be honest. All right, so let's see if we need to make any touch-ups. No, I think we're Gucci. This is the final look. It's getting easier and easier to film YouTube videos because I used to be such a perfectionist that I would just keep putting it off and never do it. And then you just start. So that's my inspiration for today. Just start. If you're putting off something, just go do it right now. Right after you watch this and give it a thumbs up. So subscribe if you guys want to get notified when I post daily videos. I post every Sunday at 9 a.m. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next week.